friends, today we are going to make a woven circle ribbon rose. We're going to start with a 5-spoke kind of star with, not ribbon, go ahead and use pearl cotton on that. Just make sure that they're all the same length. That's really important in this, and I like to use the Ray-Dee-Eye template to do that. And then look at the other tutorials we have on how to use ribbon, how to thread the needle, and then we're ready to go. We're going to come out right next to the center on one side or the other of any one of the spokes. It doesn't matter. Then we're just going to weave under every other spoke all the way around. And in these first 2 to 3 rounds, depending on the size of our rose, our goal is just to snug it tight. You can see how I snug it tight after each one. What I'm trying to get there is the inside of a rose where it looks like tightly woven. So we're just going to go ahead, and you'll notice that I'm leading with the eye of my needle. That helps keep things, keeps me from snagging things as I go. Okay, and then once you've been around those first couple of rounds, now we're going to go a little bit looser. And the other thing we're going to do is add a twist to the ribbon. I kind of twist the needle in my fingers. It's off camera here. So that I get twists in the ribbon, because that will give us a good look. If we don't do that, we'll get what's called kind of like a cabbage rose. So you'll see me back it out a couple times if it doesn't have enough twists to it. A cabbage rose, each petal folds over top of it, and in the end, all you see is the 3 outside petals and a tiny circle in the center. So if I feel like it's covering up too much, I'll pull it loose again, twist it a little bit more, and then pull it back together. So we just keep going around and around. If you need to stop in the middle, you go ahead and go down in where you would go, tucking it under one of the spokes, and then come out the next spot where it would come out. But I like to have enough ribbon on my needle to go ahead and do the entire rose, unless I'm trying to do a different color in the center, and then sometimes I do change ribbons in the middle. You just keep going, and when you have all of the wraps so that you're covering all of those little spokes that are sticking out, that's how you know when you're done. Go ahead and take your ribbon to the back, and you can tie it off back there. And that is how you make a woven circle ribbon rose.